Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Silencio network token. Ticker symbol is SLC. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting January 24th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Silencio network token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here, as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. 157,000 Twitter followers at Silencio Network, gold verified checkmark, almost 1,500 tweets, and they have a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Click on the link tree, it'll be all the socials. It's got the app links to download the app, Medium articles, website. To go to the website, you can find a white paper, all sorts of other links on the website as well. So this Twitter, basically, with that link tree, is going to take you anywhere you need to go. It says, turn noise into actionable data that drives smarter decisions. Join 640,000 plus users across 180 plus countries, building on Peak. So this is on the Peak blockchain, PEAQ. I did do a video on Peak when it came out a long time ago. I guess not a long time ago, but a few months back anyways. And it says download the app now, and that's pointing you to the link tree where you can get the app here. So this token is going to be listed on at least a couple different central exchanges here. So one of them here, it says this token will be listed January 24th at 14 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token, one way to get it would be to download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at gate.io. You would then fund your account with USDT. Then you'd go into the trade section and search SLC when this token gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So also Kucoin, so probably around the exact same time. It'll be listed on Kucoin, and if you follow this Twitter right here, I'm sure there's going to be other listings pop up as well. So if you can't get it off either one of those exchanges for whatever reason, just stay tuned, follow the socials there, and then yeah, so the Silencio SLC token, the Silencio token is the native utility token of the network ecosystem, provided in partnership with the Block Sound Foundation and its affiliates. So we'll talk a little bit more about the token in a second, but it says experience the Silencio network, building the world's largest noise intelligence platform for a quieter future. Our vision is to build the world's largest community-powered data engine, transforming everyday devices into tools that generate actionable insights on noise pollution. We aim to position Silencio as a leader in a smartphone-generated data so that value flows directly to users who contribute to this ecosystem by providing data-driven solutions for businesses, researchers, and governments. We strive to empower informed decisions that contribute to a quieter, healthier world and positively influence daily decision-making. By rethinking data collection, Silencio transforms millions of smartphones into anonymous, secure data nodes, offering a simplified gateway to Web3 and rewarding users for participation in the world's largest citizen project on noise pollution. Unlike other networks, no upfront investment in hardware is required. Anyone with a smartphone can join for free. Our community-powered approach generates hyper-local noise-level data that has transformative impacts across several industries. And for example, Silencio is revolutionizing property valuation by providing real estate platforms with street-level noise data, allowing users to compare locations and assess the surrounding sound environment before choosing a new home or office space. Noise level check-in data also empowers travelers to find quieter hotels and booking platforms and view the estimated noise levels of nearby restaurants. And in addition, local governments gain access to real-time and historical noise complaints, supporting policy development and enhancing urban planning. And this is just the beginning of Silencio's data capturing potential. At the core of Silencio is the Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks, the DPIN, the model which enables global scalability through community-owned infrastructure by securely and anonymously crowdsourcing data. Our native token SLC powers data exchange and access across the network. In contrast to big tech's centralized privacy comprising data collection models, Silencio offers a decentralized user-centric solution through blockchain technology. Users fully control their data and are compensated fairly, fostering a transparent, sustainable digital economy. As stated previously, anyone with a smartphone can join Silencio's community with no hardware investment to contribute to the data that informs decisions that positively affect quality of this worldwide. So their white paper outlines their vision, mission, and current advancements for building an inclusive data ecosystem. So if you want to check that out, it's linked at the bottom of silencio.network, their webpage. For the token, so SLC will give you access to premium features, exclusive content, and special events within the Silencio platform. Also, there is on-chain governance. Join Silencio's future. SLC holders will shape the platform's growth by voting on key decisions, and there is rewards. Earn SLC by contributing data, climbing leagues, and referring friends. The more you participate, the more you earn. So check it all out. Check out the full link tree there on the Twitter. You can find this token newly listed on Kucoin and Gate and probably other places as well, so stay tuned for that. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.